Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 7th and 8th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Orthodox Christmas Day. Orthodox Christmas Day, celebrated on January 7th in many countries, is a revered religious and cultural holiday primarily observed by Orthodox Christians. It commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ according to the Julian calendar, which lags behind the Gregorian calendar used in most of the world. This day is marked with deep religious fervor and rich traditions that vary from country to country but often include attending church services, singing carols, and enjoying festive meals with family and friends. Homes are often adorned with decorations, and nativity scenes are set up, reflecting the historical and spiritual significance of the holiday. In many Orthodox communities, the Christmas holiday is preceded by a period of fasting, known as the Nativity Fast, leading up to the feast on Christmas Day. The fast ends with a Christmas Eve meal, often consisting of 12 dishes representing the 12 apostles. The spirit of Orthodox Christmas is one of joy, renewal, and reflection, emphasizing the spiritual aspects of the holiday and the message of peace and goodwill. Despite the colder weather in many of these regions, warmth and joy pervade as communities gather, sharing in age-old customs, exchanging gifts, and recounting the story of the Nativity, keeping the essence of the holiday alive in their hearts and homes. Distaff Day. Distaff Day, traditionally observed on January 7th, is an unofficial holiday that falls the day after the Feast of the Epiphany. This day is notably recognized in many European cultures as a moment when the women, who had a brief respite from household duties over the Christmas period, return to their work, particularly spinning. The distaff, a tool used in spinning to hold the unspun fibers, lends its name to the day, symbolizing a return to daily tasks and routines. It was a day associated with lightheartedness and humor, as women resumed their work and life returned to normal after the festive season. The customs surrounding Distaff Day often included playful pranks and jokes at the expense of the women returning to their tasks, and in retaliation, women would often play tricks on the men the following day. Although not widely celebrated in the modern sense, Distaff Day is remembered in historical contexts and by enthusiasts of traditional crafts and lifestyles. It serves as a nod to the past, recognizing the labor and skills of women in maintaining households and contributing to the economy through their craft, as well as the rhythm of work and rest in traditional societies. As such, while it may not be marked by widespread festivities, Distaff Day offers a glimpse into the customs and gender roles of earlier times, preserving a piece of cultural heritage. National Pass Gas Day. National Pass Gas Day is humorously observed on January 7th in some parts of the internet community. This day is seen as an opportunity to break the taboo surrounding natural bodily functions, specifically flatulence. While not an officially recognized holiday, it is mentioned in various informal calendars as a day of lightheartedness and humor, encouraging people to embrace and laugh about the natural and universal human experience of passing gas. The day might be observed with jokes, humorous stories, or even educational discussions about digestive health and the science behind why humans and animals pass gas. Despite its humorous undertones, National Pass Gas Day can also be a prompt for more serious and educational conversations about gastrointestinal health, diet, and the medical reasons behind excessive gas. It serves as a reminder that while certain bodily functions are often treated as embarrassing or socially taboo, they are normal and can be indicative of one's health. By bringing a typically shunned topic into a more open and relaxed conversation, the day can help demystify and destigmatize discussions about bodily functions, promoting a more open and healthy dialogue about the human body. National Bubble Bath Day. National Bubble Bath Day, celebrated on January 8th, is dedicated to the enjoyment and relaxation of taking a bubble bath. This day encourages people to take a moment out of their busy lives to indulge in the soothing and playful luxury of a warm bubble bath. It's a day to unwind, disconnect from the stresses of daily life, and soak in a tub filled with bubbles, which for many is a symbol of comfort and self-care. Bubble baths are not only a method of cleansing but also a means to relax the body, calm the mind, and even find a moment of joy and nostalgia, reminding many of childhood. On National Bubble Bath Day, people are encouraged to light candles, play soft music, and treat themselves to a spa-like experience at home. It's an opportunity to use those special bath products, from aromatic oils and lush bubble baths to bath bombs and more, creating a personal retreat. The day is also a chance to recognize the therapeutic benefits of baths, which can include improved mood, better sleep, and reduced stress. In promoting self-care and relaxation, National Bubble Bath Day fits into a broader recognition of the importance of taking time for oneself, emphasizing wellness and pleasure in the simple things in life. National Clean Your Desk Day. National Clean Your Desk Day is observed on the second Monday of January each year, serving as a reminder for professionals and students alike to begin the new year with a clean, organized, and efficient workspace. This day is not just about the physical act of cleaning and organizing but also symbolizes a fresh start and the clearing of mental clutter to increase productivity and clarity. By removing unnecessary items, organizing documents, and sanitizing the workspace, individuals can create a more pleasant and efficient work environment. The celebration of National Clean Your Desk Day emphasizes the importance of orderliness in promoting a productive work atmosphere. It encourages people to take stock of their current work situation, declutter, and implement systems that will help maintain a tidy desk long term. This might include organizing papers, sorting digital files, dusting off equipment, and adding personal touches that make the space more enjoyable to work in. In doing so, it's believed that a well-organized desk can lead to a more focused mind, reduced stress, and a greater sense of control over one's work and environment, ultimately leading to a more successful and satisfying professional life. National Gluten-Free Day. National Gluten-Free Day is observed annually on the second Monday of January to celebrate and bring awareness to a gluten-free lifestyle. This day is particularly significant for those with celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or anyone who chooses to avoid gluten for health reasons. It's a day to acknowledge the challenges faced by the gluten-free community and to celebrate the availability and variety of gluten-free options that have become more accessible in recent years. National Gluten-Free Day encourages individuals to share resources, recipes, and tips for living a healthy gluten-free life. It's an opportunity for restaurants, bakeries, and food producers to promote their gluten-free products and for individuals to advocate for more understanding and options in food establishments. The day is also about educating the public on what it means to live gluten-free, the importance of proper labeling, and how to be supportive of family and friends who require a gluten-free diet. Overall, National Gluten-Free Day promotes inclusivity, awareness, and the continual pursuit of better health and well-being through dietary choices. Earth's Rotation Day. Earth's Rotation Day is celebrated on January 8 to commemorate the 1851 demonstration by French physicist Léon Foucault, who provided one of the most definitive early proofs of Earth's rotation with his famous pendulum experiment. The Foucault pendulum, as it came to be known, was a simple yet brilliant demonstration showing that the plane of a swinging pendulum appears to rotate relative to the Earth beneath it, providing direct evidence of Earth's rotation. This day serves as an opportunity to reflect on the scientific achievements that have expanded our understanding of the universe. It encourages education and appreciation for the complexities of our planet and the laws of physics that govern it. Earth's Rotation Day might be marked by science museums, educational institutions, and astronomy enthusiasts with lectures, exhibitions, and educational activities focused on Earth's rotation and its effects on life. It's a celebration of scientific inquiry and discovery, reminding us of our planet's dynamic nature and the ever-advancing quest for knowledge in the field of Earth science. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.